How to program Verizon Fios remote to TV. The process is very simple. You have two methods. The method number one is automatic setup. For that, turn on your TV and the Fios TV box. Then here, press the home button on your remote and navigate to the settings. It will appear as the gear icon. Select voice control in the settings and choose Fios TV as your voice remote. Select program voice remote and follow the on-screen prompts to let the system automatically detect your TV brand and complete the setup. While the other method is manual code entry. For this, turn on your TV and press and hold the OK and TV buttons on the Fios remote for about 6 seconds until the TV button lights up. Enter the 3-digit code for your TV brand. You can find codes in your remote's user manual or online. After that, point the remote at the TV and press the OK button to store the code. Once done, test the remote's power and volume button functions together. If they do not work, repeat the processes with a different code. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.